Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so this thin yellow line is the 100-day exponential moving average. You can see yesterday and so far today, the ranges are not the just absolutely obscene ranges that we've seen the last 5 or 6 days. Volatility like that doesn't last forever. That's off the charts stuff. What we are settling down into is a really nice trading tape, in my opinion. The Globex range yesterday was still 51 handles. And that, you can get a lot done in 51 handles. In the room, we got about 45 handles done. So it gives you, long, short, gives you a ton of opportunity there. But here's what I'm looking at this morning. You can see the hourly bands starting to get tight. So a resolution is coming. Basically, this entire week so far for me has been a battle, basically mostly by the bulls, to try to hold weekly pivot as support. It's been defended. It was defended in the overnight. It was defended yesterday. They tried to break it yesterday. Bulls got it back. So to the extent that 37.83 can hold as support, this resolution can be higher. We are living now the last 5-6 hours below the hourly midband. So you could get a head fake up to a move down, absolutely. One of the biggest problems that people run into in dealing with tight Bollinger Bands are they try to guess or predict what the resolution of the tight bands are going to be. Don't get into the prediction game or the guessing game. When bands get tight, the expansion out of those bands tends to run farther and longer than people expect. And in a tape like this, there's going to be more than enough handles, whether we go up or down, that you can wait and see, who's winning the battle here. If the bulls are going to win the battle, they're going to get over the top of 37.83. They're going to get over the top of daily pivot here at 48. They're going to turn those areas into support. You can get long against them for a move, probably up into the 80s. If the bears are going to win, the opposite's going to happen. 48 is going to hold. 37 is going to hold. And we're going to head lower, probably back to 2,600. So the point I'm trying to make is there is a truckload of handles either up or down that can be made in this market. Don't try to guess direction. Keep an open mind and follow, basically follow price and respect risk, and that'll lead to, being able to catch the move that's coming. But with bands this tight, there is a move coming. But don't walk in and say, we need to go up today, we need to go down today. This is not a time to be ideological. It's a time to be open-minded about what the market could do, and then just do that. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. I'll be out with some midday stuff, wrap up Twitter and Instagram. We had a lot of new people come in, sign up yesterday from over the weekend. They were around for 45 room handles yesterday. It really is a sweet spot in the market. So basically, I'm sounding the trumpet because I think there's a really good opportunity for us and the team in there to help a lot of people this year. Not only, do well in this tape, but most importantly, stay out of trouble in this tape. So come see us. We would love to meet you, and we'll see if we can help your trading. All right, take care, everybody. Like I said, I'll be out later with some stuff on social, and I will talk to everybody then. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook, and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.